Welcome to another tutorial with me, Molly, where we um, where we play a little bit and discuss and practice together some of the aspects of yoga. And I know lots of us don't have time for a full hour session each day, so it's nice to get started with it with like 10 to 15 minutes a day. So for today, we're going to do the Om again. I did another tutorial this morning, so I'm actually recording in the afternoon. It's 4 o'clock. So what you can do so long is just find your way to sitting. So you can sit on a chair. Don't worry about getting a mat just yet. Or you can sit on the floor. Get used to being close to the earth, being almost a little bit childlike, sitting cross-legged. And then you can close the eyes and just start to move the head from side to side. So as we play with the chanting of the Om mantra in this tutorial, first we just want to loosen up the body a little. And then center and then up and down. So just moving the head up and down. So moving the body is a very good way to get out of your head. Especially this time of the day, there's probably lots of dialogues going on, or monologues, or thinking of things you didn't get done or should have done better, planning, center. And then with the nose, draw a circle. So go down, go to the right, up, left, and down. So a very gentle circle. Don't throw the head back, just moving. And then change direction. And then pause, center. Roll the shoulders up, back, and down. Forward, up, back, and down. And then change direction. And just loosening a little bit of tension in the neck. Good. And then the arms out, elbows in. Or bending at the elbows, bring the hands in. Out and in, out and in. And then arms straight, palms down. We flex the hands and we take the fingers down and up. It's so funny how a tutorial starts with movement. Tutorial about the making the sound Om. We'll get to that. And then point the fingers, make circles, keep the fingers together. And then change direction. And then palms forward, spread the fingers wide, deep breath in. As you exhale, wrap the arms around you and drop the head. Breath of joy, inhale, open. Exhale, other arm on top, squeeze and drop. And again, exhale. And then just open. Good, bring the hands to the knees. So it's good to first get out of the mind by going into the body so you can keep your eyes closed and then just feel your breath. Your breath starts with the inhale, moving up the spine. So from the belly, chest into the head. And then as you exhale, taking your awareness down. And it's the same direction that our Om goes as we breathe out. So the Om sound has, Om mantra has 3 sounds, and we can share that now. We're going to do about 3 rounds of each sound. So you can bring one hand onto the belly. And the first sound of Om is Ah. So this is our natural, effortless sounds that the body makes without having to perfect anything. It just comes out without any effort. So breathe in and make the sound. Ah. you're welcome to close the eye. I'm going to do 2 more rounds, breathing in. Feel the vibration in the stomach. Inhale. And then hand to the knee. Our second sound. Ooh. And this sound vibrates in the chest. So as you breathe in, fill up the chest. Then we're going to do 3 rounds. Ooh. Inhale. Ooh. And again. Ooh. And then just relax, bring the hand down. The final sound. So you keep the mouth closed and then you're just making this sound as you exhale. Again, 3 rounds. So breathe in. And again, breathe in. Feel where the vibration is in the head. And one more time, breathing in. And then relax and close the eyes if it's still open. So with the Om sound, it's an upward movement of energy, which starts with the eye and the belly, moves into the chest with the Om, all the way up into the head with the and then beyond the head, there's that silence. So feeling how those separate sounds have had an effect on your mind, maybe your mood. We are going to do 3 rounds of that Om. Let me do 1 round first, and then you can see how it flows together. So I'm going to breathe in fully, and then with the exhale, I make the sound. And then there's that silence, after which we all breathe in again. So 3 rounds together starts now. Breathe in. Keep the sound soft and gentle. Inhale. And then bring that hand back to the belly. Relaxing. Bring that hand back to the chest, the other hand. You might notice a shift in the mind. And this is why we do the Om chanting at the beginning of a practice. as well as at the end. It's that shifting from your external focus to an internal focus. Feeling the peace and quiet. Breathing in. Breathing out. Keep the eyes closed. Bring the hands together. Rub the palm. And then place the hands over the eyes as you cover your eyes completely. Filter out any of the light. And then open the eyes into the hands. And then slowly bring the hands down. And relax. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Join me again next week. Or feel free, if you are on YouTube, feel free to browse all the little videos. I have to say, I thoroughly enjoy making them. And hopefully you enjoy it as well. And you can start to bring a little bit of yoga into your day. Namaste.